Okay, so this video is going to tell you how to find the slope given the graph of a line on a grid. So pretty much what you're doing is you're finding the slope of this line, right? So the first thing that you need to know is that slope is, if you didn't remember, slope is rise over run. So how far does it go up and down over in a fraction, how far it goes left or right? Okay, so I'm going to explain that to you how that works on a graph. So when you're looking at a graph, you want to identify the 2 points, and it's giving you your 2 points that you need to look at. So when you're looking at this, you're going to say, okay, well, what is the distance between these 2 points going up and going over? So let's start with the up part. So I start at -2 and I go to 4. We know that that's 6, but if you need to see it for yourself, which that's fine, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that distance is 6. That is my rise. Okay, so my rise is 6. Okay, and then I'm going to look at my run. Okay, well, it starts at 0 here on the line, and then it goes to 1. So I just count that off. 1. Simple and easy. And that's my run. So 6 over 1. If it's a weird number like 5 over 3, you don't have to simplify it. Or you don't want to put your slopes into technically correctly written a proper fraction, so you wouldn't make that 1 2/5. You don't want to do that. No, you don't need to do that for writing slopes. So if you have it that's just like 5 over 3, you're going to leave that just the way it is. But if it's something 6 over 1 or a fraction that you can simplify, so if it was 12 over 2, right, you would say 6 over 1. Or you could take that and you would say, just write 6. So let me just review for you. This is an acceptable way of writing it. This is an acceptable way. So if you have 6 or 6 over 1, that's fine. 5 over 3 is a simplified fraction. Even though it is improper, that is acceptable. But if you can simplify the fraction, that is not correct. You can't put it in that format. So there's a couple examples of how to do it, but it's really pretty simple. It's just rise over run, and you just take your time, count it out, and then put it into a fraction form, and if you can, put it into a whole number. So hopefully that was helpful. If you need any more examples,